And I have a freaky flashing light phenomenon to share with you guys. I received video footage out of the Philippines, and then of course I've updated the map here in the United States with just a few. We're now up to 331 on the map here in the United States. And again, I've received well over 700. I think I'm approaching 750 different locations now that have been shared with me from all around the world. We're going to start off in the Philippines. This is my first video from the Philippines. I received one from Singapore, now the Philippines. This video was sent in by Bradley R. from March 11th of 2025 at 3:39 a.m. This is a solar light. I saw our solar light flashing like that too. Very briefly, early one morning at around 5:20, 5:30, it was still dark outside. That was in the middle of the night at 3:39 in the morning. Video number 2 out of Boise, Idaho. GGF sent in this video from the parking lot of a large hotel in Boise. This video has narration from just last night, March 18th of 2025.
MrMBB333, I am in Boise, seeing lots of flashing lights. And they are going like mad. So I'm going to move around and show you. There's one. This is at a hotel. Look at that. All over the place. So I'm just going to walk around.
I just want to add something real quick. This is so far from normal. Have you ever pulled into the parking lot of a hotel at night and noticed the parking lights in the parking lot flashing and blinking uncontrollably? These lights, in my humble opinion, are trying to tell us something. They're telling a story, and it's up to us to figure out what they're trying to tell us.
My last video was in Meridian about a month ago, and now right here in Boise. And this is so many. There. 1, 2. Oh, and I think it's at the front of the hotel too. Let me look. Seems like it was, but maybe not. Okay, see that? There. And we'll go over here. The other direction. That is it.
Great report by Gigi out of Boise, Idaho. Multiple flashing lights. This video here was sent in by Jeff, also from March 18th. Guys, this doesn't seem to be slowing down. I've received 13 videos just today from various locations of the flashing lights. It's not slowing down. This video here is out of Saline, Michigan, sent in by Jeff, once again from last night. This video here was almost 45 seconds long. I don't know how long the light continued to malfunction, but I shortened it up just for presentation purposes. Video number 4 right out here in Arizona, Scottsdale, Arizona. Alex from the night of March 17th of 2025 as he was driving down the road when he noticed a car's taillights malfunctioning. Video by Alex. It has narration. Here we go.
MrMBB333, we got this Mustang and the lights are just going off. It's not like they're braking, they're not on cruise control, and every so often their brake lights are just going off. This is Alex out of Scottsdale, Arizona.
And I agree. I don't think the person driving that car was sitting there tapping the brakes like that. It does look like to me they were malfunctioning, flashing like a lot of the other lights that we've been seeing all around the world. But then again, the person could have been tapping the brakes very, very quickly like that for no reason as they're driving down the highways. So I agree with Alex. I do think that those were malfunctioning tail lights.